Hey everyone, it's Michelle for TechView, and today I'm going to be taking part in Comparison Week with the comparing basic functionalities of iOS 7 on the iPhone 4S, which is right here, and Android 4.4.2 KitKat on my Sony Xperia Z. Let's start with the lock screens. For people that don't know, you can unlock the iPhone either by pressing the button on the top or simply by pressing the menu button or home button or however you want to call it. To unlock it, as you can see here, you just swipe to the left, type in the unlock code, and there you go. With the Xperia Z or Android specific, you press the unlock power button. Well, for other devices like LG you can use knock code, or for Samsung devices you can use the home button as well. But for this you just press the button. Now the screen pops up. It's a little dark, isn't it? Well, just swipe. Swipe from top to bottom and you're good. Basically, Android offers a variety of lock screens. You can check the settings very quick. You can also alter your lock screen. If I could find it very quick. I guess it's display, right? Out of personalization, lock screen. Oh no, just a wallpaper. Anyways, I haven't used it in a while, so that's my problem. Here, security settings. You can change the screen lock for none, swipe, unlock via your face with a picture, the iconic pattern where you have this unlock pattern which most people use. Also, you get PIN code or a complete password. Whoa, it's a little windy out. And that's basically the comparison about lock screens. You got quick notifications on both of them, both by swiping down from the top. You get your missed all in today's data, calendar, Wall Street stuff, you know. And for quick settings and Android 4.4.2, you just swipe down and tap the quick settings tab on the top. You can edit it with the quick settings you want. And for iOS 7, you swipe up from the bottom. You get music player, a few quick settings, screen brightness, few features, camera, calculator. As you know, you don't get any home screen widgets for iOS 7, but they will be coming in iOS 8. Let me just adjust the brightness on my phone. Yeah, so turn the brightness up on both of them. Yeah, now you can see better. So basically, Android offers the home screens, which iOS doesn't. It's just when you hit here, menu, now they are both pretty much the same. But on iOS you can also add some folders. I've got here one for my financial apps, one for games, like I've got here games on the Xperia Z2. You can alter the 4 quick applications on iOS. Yeah. Basically, it's the most basic functionalities. But for something important, which everyone needs, I have a note app on this one too, somewhere. Way too much stuff on this. Yeah, as you can see, quite a lot of stuff. Well, there we go. Oh, For this comparison I need to change something. Xperia International Keyboard. This is something which is very important for most of the people. Different keyboards on both devices. Let me just place them on the table and alter the camera. There we go. So, the size does make a difference in this case. As you can see, both are very good to read, which is similar layout. It's the German QWERTZ, as you can see. Got the caps button, number and symbols button, one for smileys, a designated comma and period button, and no numbers on the top. Same goes for iOS, as you can see here. Got the QWERTZ layout, but you've got the 3 German special letters. Basically, I don't know what they're called right now. In Germany we call them Umlaute. And yeah, you got your caps button, a voice input, the return or enter button, backspace, space, and the number pad, but you don't see any designated smiley tab at the iOS device. So another thing people want to see or know is camera. Let's take a look at the different camera layouts. We start the camera on iOS. As you can see here, just zoom in a bit again. On the bottom you've got you can swipe left to right for video, picture, a square picture, which is basically designed for Instagram, and the panorama picture. For picture you instantly get the HDR option at the top, the way to change to the front camera. Good thing you don't see me right now. There I am. You get flash, auto, on and off. On the bottom you've got the shutter, the big white button. On the left you're taking pictures, and on the right you can see real-time filters and apply them. But this is basically what the stock camera application for iOS offers. Well, iOS 7 in this case. Let me unlock this one, put it to the side. Take out the Android. Start the camera application from the home screen, which is possible by pressing long on the camera button and then swiping up. Yeah, it's with 4.4.2 it's a bit buggy, I've got to admit that. And you can also quick start the camera on iOS from the lock screen. Press long, swipe up, there you go. With the Sony Xperia we've got quite a few modes: Superior Automatic, Manual, Creative Effects, and Panorama. With Manual you can change the scene of the picture: soft snap, soft skin, anti-motion blur, backlight correction, night scene, high sensitivity, animal pictures, snow, beach, fireworks, handheld, twilight, whatever. You can also alter the white balance, flash, everything, but I usually keep it on Superior Auto, which automatically chooses the correct settings. With Creative Effects Can also add a lot of filters like fisheye, color sketch, pencil sketch. It's quite more than you get on the iOS device. You take multiple photos for Evernote or the panoramic mode. So let's keep it at Superior Auto. Here you still get to change the flash or use it as a torch on the 3 dots. You can change the settings, aspect ratio, timer, smile shutter, burst on long press, video options, and quick launch only, geotagging, shutter sound. All the things you may or may not need. Also, you can switch between camera and video. You get the basic functionalities of camera. The multitasking difference is for the Sony, just hit the multitask button, switch between your apps, close them by swiping to the left. Oh, there you go, there you go. I'm using Snapchat, I'm using other things. As you can see, very simple. Also, you can add some small widgets to your screen and move them around for multitasking on iOS. Unlock and excuse me, double tap the home button and swipe up to close it. Something that iOS 7 offers, which unfortunately Sony doesn't offer from scratch, but you can still use Google Now. Search for Tech View. Yeah, it's not so perfect, but the voice on Google isn't so good, but you get my favorite companion, Siri. Search for Tech View. Search for Tech View.
Das ist das Resultat meiner Webbesuche.
It's on German settings, so this doesn't work, but when I'm using Siri in German, it's pretty awesome. So, basically these are the main functionalities I wanted to talk about between iOS 7 and Android 4.4. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I'll see you around for some more comparisons and other cool things. Bye!